The Cougar II Concept Model was a very attractive show car introduced to the public in 1963. Ford had displayed it at the 1963 Chicago Auto Show and the 1964 to 1965 New York World's Fair exhibition. The Cougar II was very similar to the Bordinat Cobra concept, associated with Jean Bordinat, Ford's vice president of styling at the time, and the man behind the creation of both great-looking concept models. The Shelby Bordinat Cobra Roadster model received great press when it was introduced to the public, and many consumers really enjoyed the great styling. The Shelby Bordinat Cobra Roadster and the 1963 Cougar II Concept Model were both built on a Shelby Cobra chassis, along with a 260 V8 engine for the Cougar II. The Cougar II Concept was painted in a candy apple red color. The Cougar II was a great-looking fastback concept design built with a fiberglass body. Ford designers Ken Spencer and Ray Bamer created and built a fiberglass body for the concept model. During the early 1960s, Ford needed a model to compete with the Corvette, when General Motors introduced a design change in 1963, the popular split-window coupe. The engineers produced this interesting concept, the Cougar II, which featured a closed body and was called one of Ford's 3 X-Car concepts. The model also offered aerodynamic styling with a great interior design and retractable headlamps. Some automotive historians said the Cougar II looked like a Corvette, and Ford engineers determined at the time that it would be too costly to manufacture. The company elected to concentrate on the Mustang project. Both the Bordinat Cobra and the Cougar II concept models were later donated to the Detroit Historical Museum. Later, after many years in storage, former Ford artist Jeff Burgee managed to find both models and clean them up for public viewing at events like the Amelia Island Concours. It should also be noted that the Cougar II concept model was also a part of the Cougar Anniversary event hosted by the Classic Cougar Club of America. One of the most talented automotive industrial designers that helped create the 1963 Cougar II concept was McKinley Thompson Jr. Thompson was one of the first African-American automotive designers to work at Ford Motor Company. He was hired by Alex Tremulous in 1956. Tremulous achieved some fame for designing the Tucker automobile in the late 1940s before moving to Ford. Thompson had received his bachelor's degree from Art Center College of Design in Pasadena, California. At Ford, he contributed to many great design programs, like the Gyron concept model in 1961, the Shelby Bordinat Cobra Roadster, and the Cougar II concept. Thompson later contributed to the 1963 Ford Allegro concept design and the Mustang-based Kelly Python in the 1980s, along with many other popular cars and trucks. In 1962, Thompson received the Town Crier's Bell Award from Detroit Mayor Jerome Kavanaugh, a great honor. One of Thompson's greatest accomplishments was designing a vehicle known as the Warrior concept. It was an all-terrain prototype vehicle that could be used all over the world. The Warrior model is now a part of the collection of the Henry Ford. In 2006, the world lost McKinley Thompson Jr. at the age of 83. Thompson left us with many great automotive and truck concept designs like the Cougar II. Today, his contributions to the automotive world will remain part of our history for generations to come. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, write a comment, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to be informed of new videos.